Welcome, welcome, welcome. It's your boy Terrence Pound back with another crypto investment video. This time it's on Mainnet. And yes, you see you can earn up to 1.5% per day. And you can also see it's from an experienced trader. And before I go any further, let me say I am not a financial advisor. I'm not your financial advisor. I'm a risky YouTube dude. I'm in multiple plays out here in this decentralized finance space. And let me be honest with you, if nobody else told you, you can lose some or all of your money with any of the projects that I talk about. Let's consider it a gamble. Let's consider it a lottery. However, I do believe that if you're diversified enough and you can find the right projects, you have an opportunity to make exponential gains on your return. Now, let me go ahead and get into this new project here, Mainnet. And it may be not new to some people because the program came out a few months ago, but I am just now getting an opportunity to get involved in the project. And now, when you see here onboarding for Mainnet, this is the company PDF that they have rolled out, and I decided to show this to you here. And then now, when you take a look at the project, here's their disclaimer, and you see it's from an experienced trader. Now, here's the CEO, Soprana Sasu. The company Mainnet is experiencing great growth in the auto trading industry. International service provider, Mainnet started its activities in 2022, present in more than 40 countries. It's in the four high growth industries: Forex, blockchain, work from home, and internet. Here's a structure with its different offices, some opening in Paris, Miami, Brussels, and Dubai. However, they are already open in Bucharest, and then obviously the St. Vincent and the Grenadines. Here's the CEO right here, recognized entrepreneur for more than 20 years, passionate trader. The understanding of these two worlds allow him to have analysis and clear vision for the development of his multiple businesses. 2007 beta trader, 2019 Betracoin, 2020 creation of a dedicated team, and 2022 Mainnet official launch. Now, the market, Forex, L4X exchange is the largest market in the world in terms of daily movement with money over 6 trillion in value. This is the place where you can trade all currencies around the world. When you trade Forex, you buy one currency and sell another. Currencies are always in quoted pairs. Now, you know the Forex market runs 24 hours a week, excuse me, a day, 5 days a week. A flexible use of leverage to take advantage of relatively small price changes in currency pairs and the possibility of opening positions for purchase or for sale. Now, the product, Mainnet. Mainnet ETA is the result of several years of market research and Forex trading robot programming. The extremely profitable EA has generated profits for their clients by auto trading around the clock with multiple trades per day, trading strategies based on volume analysis, accurate statistics, and probabilistic research. Mainnet EA allows to obtain a positive return in all market conditions and to generate profitable daily operations in the financial markets. How does it work? You see, you can get started here, folks, with 4 different purchasing of a software license. So once again, what you're purchasing is a software license. The software licenses range from $25, 50, 100. You can see all the way up to the 50K package. Deposits and withdrawals are in USDT, TRC20. The minimum is $10. Withdrawal fees, 3%. Deposit fees, $2, and a $10 license fee. So $2 to deposit. You have to buy a software license, folks, which costs you $10. So you'll need that on top of whatever package you decide to choose, and withdrawal fees 3%. And then what you do is you receive a redistribution of the company profits up to 0.75% per day, up to 3.75% per week, and up to 15% per month, and up to 400% per year. And I just noticed in my background, I got up to 1.5% per day. I'll have to change that on the thumbnail that you'll see on the front of the video. And now how does it work? You let your capital grow thanks to the cumulative effect. Let 1,000 license with 15% monthly earnings. So the monthly earnings are up to 15%, right? And then without effect, they call compounding the effect. So without the effect, you'll make 180% gain. And then with the effect, you could realize 400% gain. So 400% gain is the most that they're going to pay you out on a contract. Now, how does that work? So that means if you put in 1,000, like I started with 1,000, then they're going to pay me out 15% a month, whether I compound or not compound, up to 400% or 365 days. Now, after you Forex on your license or 400%, or after 365, your license expires. The 400% includes trading earnings, but also your affiliate commissions. So, what does that mean? Your earnings that you're getting at 15% a month, and then any commissions that you get go into that bucket until they pay you out at 400%. Then, after you're paid out, that's it. You got all you had coming to you. Your license is expired, and they continue working with that license. Then you just buy another license. Now, how is the company profitable? Distribution of the license purchase. 70% of your purchase goes to trading, 30% goes to marketing. When a customer purchases a license, 70% of the license value is reserved for trading, while 30% is kept for marketing. Now, the different cost I've already told you, $2 on deposits, 3% on withdrawals. License purchase is $10. Affiliate commissions, so 70% commissions are paid 70% in the cash wallet. So what that means is 70% of that is going to go into the cash wallet, and then 30% of it can go into the business wallet, which you can use to redeem licenses. And then expiration of the licenses, folks, expires after achieving 400% or 365 days. The gains generated by the trader are no longer returned to the client, but kept by the company. So once you breach 400%, that's it. Or 365 days, that's it. No deposit coming back on the end. You got it paid out over those months. Now, here's the difference here, folks. They could pay a lot for advertising, radio, TV, and telemarketing, but they would rather have you promote the company. And you'll start seeing a lot of more companies that are choosing to do that way. Every company needs more clients. Now, here's the marketing plan. 4 additional ways to make money with Mainnet: unilevel bonus, residual bonus, leadership bonus, and the infinity pool. Now, here's this marketing structure here, folks. The unilevel side of the bonus allows you to receive commissions according to your rank on the purchases of all license of your direct or indirect referrals in differential. So you can see here, you can earn from 4% all the way up to 20%. And all of this is based on value. Okay. All of this is based on value. To rank up, you must achieve certain value of sales in your global network. The higher your rank, the higher your commission. If you generate, here's the example, 7,500, you reach the Ruby rank. So here's the Ruby rank, 7,500, which, if you're a link sharer, team builder, to reach 7,500, you could do that in a few hours. You're already at the 10% commission level. And then if you made it all the way up here to Royal Ambassador with 50 million, you'll be at 20% commission, but does take 50 million in team volume to hit that top number. Then they have the unilevel bonus here. And then so the Royal Ambassadors at the top, and they make the 20%. And what you do is you get paid differences in levels. So the difference in, let's say here, the Black Diamond and the Royal Ambassador is 3%. The Royal Ambassador would get 3%. The difference in the Blue Diamond and the Royal Ambassador is 6%. So the Royal Ambassador would get that 6% overhang. Ambassador and Royal Ambassador, just a 1% difference. And then so you can kind of come down here and see as you hit these different ranks, right? Black Diamond, Ambassador, Blue Diamond, you get these differences in percentage that roll uphill for you in the unilevel bonus. And then they have the marketing plan right here. So depths and levels, they pay you down 10 levels, a commission percentage. And this residual bonus allows you to receive up to 30% of the earnings generated by licenses of your affiliates on 10 levels deep, paid daily, folks. So 10 levels down, 6% down to 1.5. The examples, referral, here's 1,000, and they do $150 in profit. You get a 6% bonus. That would give you a $9 residual. And then here's the marketing plan with the leadership bonus, folks. You got ranks here from starter all the way down to royal ambassador. Here's your minimal licenses that you need to have. And it is a unilevel and it is 50-50. So all you need is 2 strong legs. And then here's your direct bonus as you hit these levels. So the leadership bonuses allows you to receive bonuses depending on the balance of your network. To receive the bonuses, you must meet 3 conditions: the minimum license value, and then also the value of your strong branch and the value of your weak branch. Now, folks, I'm not going to spend a whole lot of time on the commission structure. The reality is most people don't tell anybody. Now, if you want a team build, as always, get with me and we'll make sure that you get this thing structured and you do the right way so that you can maximize your plan. Now, you can see they also have additional bonuses from iPhones to iPads to luxurious trips, Rolexes, Mercedes, Lambos, and apartments in Dubai. And chances are, folks, if you won one of these, you'd be cashed out, I would think, in some type of cryptocurrency. And then the marketing plan. So the community company shares up to 3% of its turnovers for its ambassadors and royal ambassadors paid monthly. 3%, folks. They have trainings and they have events, web conferences, public presentations, training and agreement. And then they also have a roadmap here, folks. So you can come over here and take a look at what they plan to do and see that they do have plans going forward in the future. And then you can see they're planning even through 25 and 26 to launch a broker in a broker, an exchange, and also a MasterCard. The goal is to become one of the leading companies in the field of trading automation. There's their vision. All partners using the platform must be able to meet their financial and personal goals, and their qualities, their values are quality, transparency, and ethics, folks. And then you can listen, tell stories, but welcome to Mainnet. So, folks, that is Mainnet. I got started in the project just last night. I got started. I got started with $1,000. I'm gonna go ahead and log in here real quick from my phone on Zoom and share my screen right here on this, and so that you can actually see the back office of this. And then, so let me join this meeting here so you can see what this looks like. And I do plan on actually putting a little more money in here. I kind of like this thing because, as you know, I'm thinking about starting my own platform. And with me starting my own platform, um, I like things that, traders are trading and stuff. I actually like that. I think that's pretty dope. So it just really intrigues me. I like the process. I like all this stuff. So I was actually kind of happy to share this with you. So let me share my screen over here on my phone. And then we're going to go ahead and I'm going to show you what this mainnet back office looks like. And then so boom, we should be sharing here. And then let me get up mainnet, which I got on my phone over here. Let me get here. And let me turn on my screen share real quick while I put in my password and stuff, even though they do have Google two-factor authentication. But people are out here super vicious, and we don't want anybody taken advantage of. And since I'm so public out here, showing my account, showing everything, you just got to be very careful out here, folks. So make sure you always enable your two-factor authentication. Another thing I like about this project is the couple of people that's in it. I heard that Jan Gregory is going to be promoting this. Bank of Jero put this out. I've seen another one of the YouTubers that I follow and appreciate the content that they do actually put this out as well too. So I had a number of friends that sent it to me, a number of people that wanted me to join under their link, which I get people sending me stuff all the time, and I'm not going to be joining every single thing, but you know I like to get into different projects and stuff. So this one checked off all the boxes for me. And then so let me go ahead and share my screen here, start this broadcast. Then so that way you can see what this looks like here. Okay, cool. So we got this up here. Let me get over here. So this is Mainnet. You can see my back office here. And then when you get in, you're going to have the dashboard. And then you can see on my dashboard, I got $1,000 active license. I'm gonna put some more in here. I sent over 1,013. Here's the link to their Telegram group. Rated today is a 0.5% for 310. Like I said, it's up to 1.5 per, excuse me, up to 0.75% per day. And then my bot is active down here. It shows my $1,000 license running for 375, 365. Total license is 1,000. Current level group sales. I haven't referred anybody, haven't sent anything out. Next bonus, strong group leader who I joined under. And then when you can't come in, you simply come over here and you would click deposit. And then once you click deposit, it's going to bring up the way that you get started. $2 deposit fee, $10 software fee. So set aside an extra $12, put an amount and click deposit. Once you click deposit, it's going to come over. Then you have the option to purchase these licenses. Once again, $10 activation fee, $2. So you can do the 25, 50, 100, 250, 500, 1,000, 25,000, excuse me, 2,500, 5,000, 10,000, 20,000, or $50,000 license. All of them pay to 400%, folks, every single one of them. But folks, I wanted to jump in. I did want to show you that. Let me show you also, where's their Telegram? Did I see that from right here? They have a huge Telegram group already going. Was that on the main page? Let me log out of here real quick. Maybe it's on the main page. Okay, you know what? It's not. It's they have a huge Telegram group. You can join my group, find it. It's on Telegram. They have other social media channels for you to be able to take a look at too as well. But this is Mainnet, folks. I don't want to draw the video out any longer than what it actually has to be. So I do want to thank you for listening. I do want to thank you for watching. And then come and join us and check us out. Mainnet. I'll change this the thumbnail. Peace.